I'm Tori Mason, covering Colorado first.
Dave, talk about a cowboy spirit. We can sit around and feel sorry for ourselves or go out and do something.
Yeah, I know, right? There you go. Yeah, and if we had more people with the cowboy hats on downtown, they'd be blowing off today because of all the wind. Take a look. Wind is picking up in downtown. Right now it's going about 17 to 20 miles per hour, so it's really kicking in gear here. We also have a little wave cloud that's forming on the west side over the city, so a partly cloudy sky is going on. That camera's bouncing around just a little bit as the wind picks up. Kind of just a little burst happening over the South Metro area all the way down through Roxborough Park and into Parker. 44 mile per hour now in Centennial going on, so that will expand here. Windy in Fort Collins, windy in the mountains still, and out across the eastern plains as well. Look at this big mass of purple. Anything that's in the purple here is like 35 to nearly 50 miles per hour. We got a line of that out east, and of course in the mountains that's continuing as well. It broke up a little bit in the late morning, but now it's starting to energize as we go through the day. Temperature-wise, mostly 30s here in the northeast, teens and 20s in the mountains. But now watch what happens when you factor in the wind chill. It feels like 28 at DIA and in Boulder. Breckenridge right now, if you're skiing in Breckenridge, man, Eddie, you are freezing. The wind chill right now in Breck is 24 below zero with that wind kicking up here. Here's the wind forecast now for the remainder of the afternoon. The spots that are windy now, you can just keep that going, and it'll kind of just come in and out of the Denver metro area. We have a little hole or a donut, if you will, with the jet stream bringing these winds, and then the back side of that front still pushing in and in this direction here. So two elements working together. That's kind of the reason we have kind of a hole, if you will, right over the Denver metro area. But we'll still have some wind here kicking up to 40, 45 miles per hour during the course of the next 12 to 24 hours here. That's tomorrow, and then tomorrow night the winds will die down. So the high wind warning remains intact. Everything in yellow. Look for the strong winds to kick up from the foothills out over the eastern plains. Satellite and radar shows a little bit of light snow pushing up here in the northeastern corner of the state, believe it or not. Behind that front, big surge of colder air pushing from Wyoming and down. The front's already all the way down here in St. Louis, but that reaffirming shot is going to keep us in the chilly side all day long today. Now tomorrow, still a little windy, but you see the jet stream pulling out a little bit, and once it does by Friday night into the weekend, we've got another system that we're watching that might slide in on Saturday and give us another chance of snow by then as well. So we'll look for that. Temperatures today, 30s and 40s across the eastern plains. Of course, very chilly up in the mountains. 39 ought to be the official high out at DIA. We'll be in the 20s tonight. Still windy tonight. Tomorrow, still gusty at times, not as strong. And then over the weekend, lots of clouds on Saturday with 44. There might be on Saturday, Dom. Not a huge chance, but a few flurries then. And we've got a chance of snow on Monday, MLK Day as well. So every couple of days we get something coming in. This one just, man, packed a punch with all that wind.
Yeah, it might be sunny out, but gosh, that wind is just something else.
It's a lot colder today than yesterday, and we were sucked into the clouds all day long.
All right, Dave, thanks so much. Don't forget, you can get the news anytime, anywhere from